Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the MP Concepts rear diffuser, available for the 2015 and newer Challenger. This is going to fit on any Challenger if you're looking for a more aggressive rear end appearance, something to give it a more track-inspired styling with the aerodynamic look that this has. Now this guy from MP Concepts is made from a really high quality injection molded ABS plastic, made using original or OEM CAD data from Ford for a perfect fit to your factory rear diffuser. It's going to stick right on top of it. Now the texture of this is a matte black that blends in really well with the back end of the vehicle, and it's got a fine stippled grain texture. Again, very similar to the factory bumper finish. It's just got a slight texture to it with a slight sheen, mostly a matte black finish, so it blends in really well. This is a complete peel and stick part. Now, even though it says peel and stick, guys, this is going to be on for the long haul. 3M automotive bonding tape is supplied, and I recommend picking up some adhesion promoter separately just to make sure that you get a really good bond between the diffuser itself and the bumper. Now, as you can see, this uses a 4-fin design to give it that aerodynamic look, so it is a lot more aggressive, something you see on a lot of those newer built vehicles out on the road today. It's just got that aggressive touch to the rear. It's really subtle, but it can make a noticeable impact. Now, the price tag for this guy comes in right around 140 bucks, and the install, I'm easily giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Because it is a peel and stick, there's no hand tools needed, none of that nonsense. Again, I just recommend picking up adhesion promoter. I recommend some alcohol wipes, because the prepping process is the most important part of the install. It's not about just sticking it on and making sure it's aligned properly. You gotta prep the surface of the back of the diffuser, and you gotta prep the surface of the vehicle where it's gonna be applying to, or it's just not gonna work properly. So you wanna use a soap and water mixture to clean off the actual vehicle. I'll show you guys what that looks like with some microfibers, and to clean off the back of the diffuser with alcohol wipes and apply the 3M. I also recommend using adhesion promoter right on the back of the stickiness of the 3M to really promote the adhesion. With that said, it'll take you about 30 minutes from start to finish. I'm going to show you what the process looks like. Let's get started. Tools I recommend for the install would be a knife, an alcohol wiper 2, adhesion promoter, a clean microfiber, and a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle. First step for the install here is to grab your diffuser, and you're going to set it face down on our table here. I recommend picking up 2 things, an alcohol wipe and adhesion promoter. Adhesion promoter is going to help make sure that this is going to stick on for the long term, and alcohol wipes are going to clean off the surface before and after you apply the 3M tape. We're going to clean off the back of the diffuser, and we're going to clean off the back of the vehicle. Now the vehicle, we're going to use soap and water along with an alcohol wipe, because if 3M is the only thing holding this on, the prep process is in fact the most important part. So I'm going to grab this alcohol wipe here. I recommend picking up a couple just because they can dry out relatively quickly. And you're just going to wipe off the back side here. You're going to make your way across every surface that 3M tape is going to apply to. Okay, once you have the surface cleaned off, what you're going to do is take the 3M tape included in the kit. You're going to peel off and stick about 4 pieces of 3M in a line on across each of these longer surfaces. On each side, do 2 strips. Let's do that next. Once you have 1 strip applied, grab a knife. You're just going to carefully cut that guy to length. Do the same thing for the rest of them. All right, so I know this can be a tedious process. Repeat all that on each one of these little sections. All right, so now we can focus on the sides here. I already took care of the other side, but this is basically just the same thing, but 2 vertical strips. 1 going up this side, 1 going down this side, and then 2 small ones up here. So now you can take your knife and carefully peel off the 3M backing on all of these 3M strips. I want to make sure that they're applied fully. All right, repeat that for all of them. Next up, we want to apply our adhesion promoter and give it a little bit of time to dry. Now the adhesion promoter I have, it comes in this tube. Sometimes it's just a damp sponge, sometimes it's a little cloth that's pre-soaked. No matter what it is, you're basically going to slightly wipe it on each of these little strips and allow it to dry. And the time that it's drying, we're going to clean off the back of the vehicle, and by the time it's dry, we'll be done and we can apply it. Now I'm going to use this small dry cloth, since I have a little bit of it in liquid form. And we're basically just going to blip this guy on there, and we're going to wipe it on the 3M. And that adhesion promoter is going to help really promote that sticky bond between the 3M and the vehicle. And now you can just repeat that for all of them. Next, we're going to grab our soap and water mixture in our squirt bottle, and we're just going to basically spray this guy down and wipe it to clean it off. This is also another crucial step that you don't want to skip. Get all that dirt and dust off, especially because it's at the rear, so a lot of that dirt's getting kicked up by the tires, so it's going to be especially dirty. I don't recommend using detailer, like quick detailer or stuff like that, or Armor All, just because that can leave a chemical residue behind, which can prohibit the bond. You really just want to get it clean with soap and water, no harsh chemicals. If you don't have the soap and water and you have maybe like hydrogen peroxide or some kind of alcohol wipe, use that instead. And from here, with this clean, we can apply it. Just want to make sure this dries off. All right, so next we can use the corners here. There's little cutouts that'll go around those plastic rivets as a guide, and roll this guy into position. Don't put firm pressure on just yet. Get it lined up where you want it to be, and then you can stick it down. All right, that looks good. Once you have that in position, put firm, even pressure on all of the 3M points. All right, you want to give this time to dry, give it time to cure before you take it out on the road, especially if it's wet outside. Let it dry, let it adhere, and you're good to go. That's going to wrap up my review and install for the MP Concepts rear diffuser, available for the 2015 and newer Challenger. You can get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.